In the architectural reality of a studio apartment or a small open-plan home, the kitchen is never truly away. It is a constant roommate. You see it when you are relaxing on the sofa, you see it when you are working at your desk, and you often see it the moment you walk through the front door. This visibility presents a unique design challenge. How do you include a fully functional culinary workspace without letting it dominate the entire visual atmosphere of your home? The answer lies in the concept of the invisible kitchen. This is a sophisticated evolution of minimalism where the goal is not just to reduce clutter, but to camouflage the utility of the space entirely, allowing the kitchen to retreat into the architecture when the cooking is done. It is about creating a space that feels like a cohesive living room that just happens to have a sink in it. The philosophy of camouflage. The first step in creating an invisible kitchen is to stop thinking of it as a kitchen and start thinking of it as a wall of custom furniture. In a traditional setup, the kitchen screams its function through handles, knobs, digital displays, and contrasting materials. To silence this visual noise, the minimalist approach strips away these signifiers. Handleless cabinetry is the cornerstone of this aesthetic. By utilizing push-to-open mechanisms or integrated J-pull profiles, the cabinet fronts become smooth, uninterrupted planes of color. When these walls of joinery are color-matched to the surrounding walls, a technique known as color drenching, the kitchen effectively dissolves. A matte white kitchen against a matte white wall, or a charcoal unit against a charcoal wall, loses its depth perception and distinct boundaries, allowing the eye to slide over it without registering it as a separate zone of the apartment. The unkitchen material palette. To further blur the line between the culinary zone and the living area, modern minimalism advocates for using living room materials in the kitchen. Historically, kitchens were defined by cold, hard surfaces, stainless steel, high-gloss tiles, and linoleum. These materials subconsciously signal work area and sterility. In a studio setting, swapping these for warmer, more tactile materials helps integrate the space. Consider using matte lacquer, wood veneers that match your media console, or even stone with a honed, leathered finish that feels more like a piece of sculpture than a prepped surface. Extending the living room flooring, whether it is wide plank oak or polished concrete, directly up to the toe kicks of the cabinets is essential. By removing the threshold change that usually marks the kitchen floor, you trick the brain into perceiving one continuous, expansive room rather than two small, chopped-up ones. The integrated appliance imperative. Nothing breaks the illusion of a minimalist living space faster than the bulky chrome face of a refrigerator or the black void of a dishwasher door. In the invisible kitchen, integrated appliances are non-negotiable. These are appliances designed specifically to accept a custom cabinet panel on the front, making them indistinguishable from the pantry or the crockery cupboard next to them. When the fridge, dishwasher, and even the washing machine are hidden behind uniform doors, the visual rhythm of the room remains unbroken. For appliances that cannot be fully paneled, such as the oven, positioning is key. Installing the oven in a low, under-counter position or tucking it into the side of an island keeps it out of direct eye line from the sofa. For smaller countertop appliances like toasters and coffee machines, the breakfast station, a cupboard with retractable pocket doors, allows you to keep them plugged in and accessible, yet completely hidden behind a sleek facade when guests arrive. Ventilation without visual clutter. In a small home, cooking smells are a genuine concern, making powerful ventilation necessary. However, a large, industrial-style range hood hanging from the ceiling creates a massive visual obstruction that divides the room and screams kitchen. The minimalist solution is twofold. The first option is an integrated range hood, concealed entirely within an upper cabinet. From the outside, it looks like just another storage unit. Underneath, it houses a powerful extractor. The second, more modern solution is the downdraft extractor. These are venting systems built directly into the induction cooktop itself. They suck steam and smoke downwards before it can rise, eliminating the need for an overhead hood entirely. This leaves the space above the counter open and clear, maintaining the long sight lines that are so critical for making a small apartment feel large. The acoustics of open-plan living. We often design with our eyes, but in a studio apartment, you live with your ears. The invisible kitchen must also be audibly unobtrusive. The hum of a refrigerator compressor or the sloshing of a dishwasher can be incredibly distracting when you are trying to read, sleep, or watch a movie just 6 feet away. When selecting appliances for a compact minimalist kitchen, the decibel (dB) rating is just as important as the energy rating. A standard dishwasher might run at 50 to 60 dB, which is the volume of a normal conversation. A silence-rated model can run as low as 38 to 40 dB, which is effectively a whisper. Similarly, looking for refrigerators with inverter compressors can significantly reduce the intermittent buzzing that plagues studio dwellers. Silence is a key component of luxury, and in a small space, it is the invisible glue that holds the peaceful atmosphere together. Lighting, the shift from work to rest. Lighting is the final tool in the camouflage toolkit. A kitchen needs bright, cool task lighting for safe chopping and cooking, but this clinical glare is disastrous for a relaxing evening atmosphere. The invisible kitchen uses a zoned, dimmable lighting scheme to shift its identity. During the day, under-cabinet LED strips provide focused, shadow-free illumination for work. In the evening, these should be turned off in favor of softer, ambient options. Consider architectural lighting features, such as LED strips recessed into the toe kick or along the top of the upper cabinets, washing the ceiling with a warm glow. This mood lighting turns the kitchen cabinetry into a soft backdrop rather than a spotlighted stage. By controlling the light, you control the focus. When the kitchen is dimly lit and the living area is warm and inviting, the culinary zone simply fades into the shadows, allowing you to mentally clock off from domestic chores. Conclusion: a backdrop for life. Creating an invisible kitchen in a studio apartment or small home is an exercise in restraint and precision. It requires a departure from the traditional idea that a kitchen must look like a workshop. By prioritizing concealed storage, integrated technology, and a cohesive material palette, you can create a space that serves your culinary needs without demanding your constant attention. The result is a home that feels significantly larger, calmer, and more refined, a sanctuary where the function is always available, but the form is pure art.